Let's join our hands together to save our mother language. Homajanelu, Namaskar. Here I am the Padeshikam from Nungshipi Imar Phiral. Again, I have come up with a new video on learning Bishnupriya Manipuri. Today, I am going to share again some more commonly used sentences such as don't worry, everything will be alright. Don't worry means hinna pace. Worry means hinpani. Don't worry means hinna pace. Everything will be alright. Everything means habita. Everything means habita. Will be alright. Alright means hobai tui. So it will be everything will be alright means habita hobai tui. Don't worry, everything will be alright means hinna pace habita hobai tui. The second sentence, I have had my breakfast. I have had. Me khelu my breakfast. More biankar khana. My means more. Breakfast means biankar khana. So it will be I have had my breakfast. Me more biankar khana khelu. The next sentence. My mother has prepared lunch for me. My mother. More imai. My means more. Mother means ima. So it will be my mother means more imai has prepared. Hongkore se or rate se. My mother has prepared lunch. Lunch means beliti kor khana. For me. For means kaje. Me means more. So it will be more imai, more kaje, beliti kor khana, hongkore se or rade se. The next sentence, Monica has completed her degree from Dibrugarh University. Monica has completed. Monikai korese. Her degree. Their degree han from Dibrugarh University. Dibrugarh Bishnupriya Monikai their degree han korese. Monica has completed her degree from Dibrugarh University. Means Monikai Dibrugarh Bishnupriya their degree han korese. The next sentence, my daughter has gone to the college. More jilok. My daughter means jilok. Son means putok. My daughter has gone to the college. More jilok college gesega. My son has gone to the college. More putok college gesega. The next sentence, concentrate on your own studies. Concentrate means monhande on your own studies. Your means tor, own means nijor, studies means tamkoranit. So it will be concentrate on your own studies means ti tor nijor tamkoranihanat monhande or ti tor nijor tamkoranit monhande. One more sentence. Concentrate on your own work. We can say. Concentrate on your own work. Ti tor nijor kame monhande. Kamini has received an award for her writings. Kamini has received. Kamini পাছে। An award, পুরস্কার আহান, N means আহান, award means পুরস্কার, পুরস্কার আহান কামিনীয়ে পাছে for her writings, তের লেখালেখির কাজে, for means কাজে, her means তের, writings means লেখালেখির. So it will be Kamini has received an award for her writings. কামিনীয়ে তের লেখালেখির কাজে পুরস্কার আহান পাছে. The next sentence. Ratan has done all his homework. Ratan has done. রতনে করেছে all his homework. Homework means গড়ৰ কাম. All means হাবি. So it will be Ratan has done all his homework. Means রতনে তার হাবি, all means হাবি, হাবি গড়ৰ কাম করেছে. Rahil has just gone out to the market. Rahil has just gone out. Just means ebbaka. Gone out means gelga. Ebbaka Rahil gelga to the market. Bajare. So it will be Rahil has just gone out to the market. Rahil ebbaka bajare gelga. The doctor has left the hospital. The next sentence. Doctor goi hospital gotto gelga. Let's begin again. The next sentence. Let's begin again. Begin means okorigga. Again means baro. Let's begin again means hat baro okorigga. The next sentence. Are you angry with me? Ti মোৰ লগে চৌচত থাং. Are you angry? Ti চৌচত থাং. With me. With means loge. Me means more. So it will be Are you angry with me? Ti মোৰ লগে চৌচত থাং. No, no. Not at all. Nana. Now চৌচো. Or you can say No, no. Why I will be angry with you? Nana, kya mi tor loge soi douta? The next sentence. Come soon. Come soon. We'll have our lunch together. Come soon. Chalakko ai. We'll have. Ami খেইতাং ai. Our lunch. Amar বেলিটিকর খানা. Together. Akpake or aksate. Akpake together means akpake or aksate. So it will be Come soon. We'll have our lunch together. Chalakko ai. Ami aksate beltikor khana kheitan ai. Don't be late. The next sentence. Don't be late means na dil koris. Don't be late means na dil koris. The next sentence. Try to understand. Understand means uponi. Try to understand means uponir hotnakor. Try means hotnakor. Try to understand means uponir hotnakor. At last, I request all of you to learn Bishnupriya Manipuri. So, learn Bishnupriya Manipuri, speak in Bishnupriya Manipuri so that we can keep our language alive. So, meet you again. Let me conclude today. Thank you. Dhanyavad. Namaskar.